All right, today's a beautiful day outside, so I'm about to head outside. Why? Because I have a few bottles to add to my barrel. So let me show you those bottles real quick before we head outside. All right, excuse the mess on my counter, but my wife's getting everything ready for Christmas because it's, November 1st, of course. Well, today's November 2nd, actually. So a few bottles here. I have this Heaven Hill Bottled and Bond donated by Sam. That Rock Hard that was donated by Whiskey Shaman. Bar Sound by Alex. And then I found two more bottles that I had extras of, so I'm gonna actually add those to the barrel as well. All right, I just popped this open. Let's take this cork out and see what it smells like. Just always smells so damn good. Can't wait. All right, let's start adding some of these bottles in. First one to go in today is this Heaven Hill donated by Sam. Thank you, thank you. Ooh, love that sound. Next one to go in is this Bardstown's Origins. This is the weeded one, which is so good. One actually, for its price, it's an amazing pour. If you guys have never tried it, I definitely recommend it. So Alex, good choice. Thank you for donating this one. Next is this Rock Hard from my friend Whiskey Shaman. Nice little pop there. If you're watching the live when I opened this, it was pretty funny. Never heard of a whiskey called Rock Hard, and I was starting to doubt what kind of relationship Whiskey Shaman wanted with me. Them all jokes. Good Texan guy. Good Texan guy. Ooh, next is this Jack Daniel's 131.6 proof single barrel rye. These are always great pours. When you can find these, I would say for 130 or above proof, definitely grab it. Always a good pour. Last but not least is this Still Austin Cask Strength Bourbon. I was going through all my collection, found out I had an extra bottle of this. I'm trying to clear up some space. Good problem to have, right? So last bottle going in today. Look at that nice dark color on that too. Beautiful color. Yep, beautiful day here in South Texas. We're probably, what, 80 something degrees. So as soon as I go back inside, I'm gonna add these bottles to the infinity barrel. Then I'll tell you how many bottles are in here and what's the proof on this as well. I want to thank everybody who has donated to this, so I appreciate you all. If anybody wants to donate, you can always donate, and later on you're gonna get a sample of this as well. So thank you guys again for donating. All right, so just finished adding 5 new bottles to my barrel, and the total on it was, so I have a total of 56 bottles in there at 114.8 proof. Pretty cool. All right, guys, thanks. See you on the next update. Well, thank you guys for joining me on another journey down my barrel rabbit hole. To our next journey, my friends. Cheers.